Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are bringing you the latest update from the Middle East. Tension between the United States and Iran has increased again after President Donald Trump said the Iran truce is now over. Here are the details. The main story, according to recent reports, the US military carried out tonight heavy strikes on Iran. US Central Command said it attacked around 170 military targets. The targets reportedly include missile launches site, drone base, military command center, and other strategic locations. President Donald Trump said the ceasefire was finished because Iran continued attack against Indian interests and commercial shipping. He added that the United States would respond with force if Iran continued its action. Iran strongly commanded the attack and they said violated international law. Iranian officials also warned that they would continue defending the country and could launch further relations. And reports says Iran fired drones and missiles toward US flying sites in Bahrain, Qatar, and Kuwait. Most of the incoming attacks were intercepted, while authorities reported limited damage in some areas. The growing conflict has raised concerns across the world. Many countries are calling for both sides to avoid further military action because a region war could affect global oil supplies and shipping through the Strait of Hormuz and international markets. Diplomacy efforts are still continuing, but there is no clear sign that peace talks will restart soon. Experts say the situation remains very tense and could change quickly. That is the latest update on the Middle East crisis. Do you think about this United States and Iran will return the negotiation, or will the conflict continue to grow? Tell me in comment your opinion. Please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.